I come here and they say we are not allowed inside the boarding. Send a SMS, don't travel, your thing will be refunded, something.
The last few days have been a terrible ordeal for air travellers who had purchased tickets on Indigo Airlines. Our airports have been thrown into chaos due to long delays as well as cancellations as a crisis has hit Indigo Airlines.
And long back we have booked the ticket, and there is no information from Indigo end. SMS or by mail the cancel is there, and they have already been issued. This web checking also been done. When we came to the airport, then I came to know this flight had cancelled, and there is no other any alternative has been done by them.
Today for the second time I'm here in the airport. It is actually a harassment for me because second time coming from the cab, boarding the flight, changing the airlines. Like from Indigo I booked Air India now with the double price tickets, and also for the second time my flight got cancelled. I was waiting in the airport for 10 hours straight. The staff is so rude, arrogant. They are not even complying, and they are not even telling us the truth that why it is delayed or why it is cancelled. They just made us wait. My refund status is not shown. They have not refunded yet. They told that they will mail me, but yet no mail, no refund, no nothing, no notification. I'm just blank. My money is gone, I think, and I'm waiting for the refund. Please at least refund my money. That is the least I can expect from you.
को कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. अभी 2:15 का हमारा फ्लाइट था, कैंसिल बोल के बोल दिए. कोई इधर इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाले नहीं है, कोई बोलने वाले नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसा रहे तो कंपनी बंद कर लेना, दूसरों को तकलीफ नहीं देना. स्वामी बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रहा. कितने जने खड़े हुए देखो. हमारा तो यात्रा के लिए सब हम रेडी करके लगा दे. हमारा पूरा पैसा वेस्ट, टाइम वेस्ट, सब वेस्ट हो जा रहा. स्वामी हमारा तो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो जा रहा. फिर हम गाड़ी से पकड़ के गए तो 2 दिन टाइम लगेगा हमारे को. इतना तो बहुत ट्रबल दे रहे कंपनी वाले. स्वामी
सारी कैंसिल हो गए हैं, कोई यहाँ पे है नहीं अकाउंटेबल, और एक ही इंसान है और भीड़ देख ही रहे हो आप क्या हो रहा है.
कैंसिल होने से पहले जानकारियां दी जा रही हैं.
मैं सुबह से 3 बार आ चुकी हूँ
क्योंकि ये फ्लाइट वो कह रहे हैं कैंसिल हो गई, और सिर्फ 2 शब्द का उत्तर दे रहे हैं कि आप अपना रिफंड ले लो, फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई है. जबकि इस बच्ची का जो है वो फ्यूचर उस पर डिपेंड है. इसको वहाँ नौकरी पर ज्वाइन करना है.
एक्चुअली मेरे डैड की अस्थियां है मेरे साथ, और मुझे यहाँ बेंगलोर से सबसे पहले दिल्ली जाना है. दिल्ली से फ्लाइट लेना है देहरादून का. देहरादून से हम लोग हरिद्वार जाएंगे, विसर्जन करना है कल. बट इन्होंने सडनली फ्लाइट कैंसिल कर दिया. हमारे पास प्रायर नोटिफिकेशन कुछ भी नहीं भेजा इन लोगों ने. एंड अभी हमें ये फोर्स कर रहे हैं कि अगर आप हमारे पास कोई फ्लाइट्स नहीं है आज के लिए, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप दूसरी फ्लाइट्स, दूसरी एयर इंडिया या कुछ और कीजिए. उनका फ्लाइट टिकट्स आज पर पर्सन 60,000 है, विच आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड.
The crisis has also raised questions, serious ones at that, about the aviation sector in India, how it is being supervised and managed, and how passengers are merely pawns and their welfare has been sidelined. It appeared to begin on the 2nd of December when passengers began reporting delays on Indigo flights from airports in Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. It was being reported that the delays were due to operational reasons, poor visibility, among other factors.
This is serious, and it has been happening since more than 48 hours now. We can clearly see this is the passenger inconvenience that the passengers who have been traveling by Indigo Airlines, they have been facing inconvenience since more than 48 hours because of massive delays as well as cancellations related to the Indigo Airlines. कितना दिक्कत हो रहा है आपको? आपसे बात करेंगे.
बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है. हमारा फ्लाइट आज शाम का था 8 बजे का. उसको बगैर हमें इन्फॉर्म करे, बिकॉज पूछे, हमारा अगले दिन के लिए पोस्टपोन कर दिया. और हमारा होटल में रहने का क्या है, कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पर अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
They knew what was going to happen with the new rules. They should have been proactive, right? My flight got cancelled. I had a senior citizen, right? And nobody was here to even offer the wheelchair. Since 5 p.m. yesterday till now, I'm chasing my luggage.
पिछले 48 घंटों में इंडिगो की कई फ्लाइटें कैंसिल हुई हैं, जिसको लेकर के आप देखिए जहां पे भी इंडिगो की जो ब्लू कलर की स्ट्रिप दिखती है उसके ठीक सामने या तो देरी रेड कलर से लिखेगा या तो निरस्त दिखेगा। हमारे साथ कुछ पैसेंजर्स हैं जो परेशानियां फेस कर रहे हैं।
So we came from Bhubaneswar. We were meant to get the 7 o'clock flight tonight with a connecting flight at 3 a.m. Tomorrow morning. So now we're here for like 15 hours, not knowing what to do until our next flight.
We are currently reporting from the Pune International Airport, where long queues can be seen. The passengers are angry over this service, and there is a shortage of staff and a shortage of pilots is what being said. There are lot of disruptions, there are a lot of technical glitches is what we are hearing. However, the Pune International Airport says that they are providing all the services to the passengers, but this is only the outside of the airport where long queues can be seen. This is never like this, but today long queues can be seen. The passengers are still awaiting to get any update from the airlines. So we will try and speak with some of the passengers. सर कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है आपको? आपकी फ्लाइट की टाइमिंग के बारे में कुछ बताया गया है? कितना डिले है?
मल्टीपल मैसेजेस एंड ईच टाइम न्यू टाइम एंड नाउ द फाइनल टाइम बट नो एश्योरेंस whether the flight will depart or not.
You were also struggling to get a wheelchair for your family.
Yeah, finally got the wheelchair just here, but the airline people did not help so far.
I've been here since 12:30 in this line. My original flight on the 2nd of December got delayed by 7.5 hours. I was rescheduled to yesterday morning 5:30, cancelled. Rescheduled to 6:15 in the evening, delayed by 4 hours. 1:10 at night, cancelled. Their customer care helpline does not work. Plan B online does not work. AI assistant does not work. And yeah, we're here at the airport in line for about 1.5 hours and haven't even reached in front.
The very next day, on the 3rd of December, there were multiple delays across different airlines, including Indigo, due to a technical glitch that impacted check-in systems at airports. As far as Indigo is concerned, around 130 flights were cancelled. Indigo released a statement saying, and I quote, "A multitude of unforeseen operational challenges, including minor technology glitches, schedule changes linked to the winter season, adverse weather conditions, increased congestion in the aviation system, and the implementation of updated crew rostering rules, including flight duty time limitations, had a negative compounding impact on our operations in a way that was not feasible to be anticipated." But the crisis only kept intensifying. Clearly, the problem was beyond adverse weather conditions and minor technology glitches. It appeared to be, in this case, more systemic.
अहमदाबाद एयरपोर्ट से इंडिगो की अब तक 23 से ज्यादा फ्लाइट रद्द हो चुकी है और 27 से अधिक फ्लाइट जो है वो डिले हो चुकी है। कई यात्री परेशान हो रहे जो घंटों से अहमदाबाद एयरपोर्ट पर इंतजार कर रहे कि उनकी फ्लाइट कब उड़ेगी, यहाँ से कब उनके डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचाएगी। ऐसे ही कुछ यात्री हमारे साथ, उन्हीं से बात करते हैं। सर, क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम कुलदीप हांडू है।
कहाँ से कहाँ जाना है?
मैं अहमदाबाद से जम्मू जा रहा था मैरिज अटेंड करने के लिए। अभी सुबह की मैंने बोला सुबह मैं 7 बजे यहाँ पे आ गया। इनके मैसेज आ रहा था और मैसेज एक ऐसा भी आया था, योर बोर्डिंग गेट इज रेडी, गेट नंबर 1, ऐसा मैसेज भी आया था इंडिगो से। मैं तो बीच में सोचा कि डिले हो गया तो आराम से आऊंगा, फिर मैंने भागम भाग टैक्सी वाले को डबल पैसा देके मैं आ गया इधर और यहाँ देखा कि वो फ्लाइट 10:30 का दिखा रहा था पहले। अभी एज ऑफ नाउ अभी 7 बजे से अभी तक वेट करके अभी वो 5 बजे का बता रहा है। वो बोल रहे हैं कि लखनऊ से फ्लाइट अभी तक उठी नहीं है।
आई हैव कम फ्रॉम जयपुर। आई वाज सपोज्ड टू कैच 9 o'clock फ्लाइट लास्ट नाइट टू बेंगलुरु, which I got a 8 o'clock flight in the morning. I missed my Langkawi flight, and now they are telling me we'll give you, if possible, Langkawi next day. So I have to stay over here. I miss all my hotel bookings in Langkawi, and that is what they have done.
फ्लाइट कैंसिल कर दिया है जिसमें हम लोग का भी था, तो वो कैंसिल कर दिया। आज का तो है ही नहीं, तो यहाँ बहुत बोलने पर यहाँ से हैदराबाद का रात को 8 बजे की टिकट दी है और वहाँ से फिर कल रात को 9 बजे है। मतलब हम लोग 24 घंटा कहाँ रहेंगे नहीं रहेंगे, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है।
मैं पटना से मुंबई ट्रैवल कर रहा था, 3:20 का फ्लाइट था पहले, बट उसके बाद मैसेज आया कि रीशेड्यूल हुआ है 2:55, बट अभी एयरपोर्ट आके पता चल रहा है कैंसिल हो गया है।
On day 1 of the crisis, which is the 2nd of December, around 140 flights were cancelled. It was 130 on day 2. On December 4th, which is day 3, 550 flights were cancelled, and on day 4, more than 523 flights as of evening of that day, which is the 5th of December, were cancelled.
मेरे जीजा जी कल एक्सपायर हो गए, तो मेरे को 6 बजे निकलने का था, तो यहाँ पे मैं आया तो बोलते कोई टिकट अवेलेबल नहीं है। बाद में बोलते इंडिगो का मिल रहा है, वो 9 बजे का था, 9 बजे का 11:10 हो गया। उसके बाद कंटिन्यू रात को खड़ा हुआ, बोलता है 3 बजे मिला, तो एक फ्लाइट में 3 बजे में कुछ 10 टिकट हुए, वैकेंसी में 30 टिकट थी, हम लोगों को 10 आदमी को अंदर जाने नहीं दिया और बोलते हैं नहीं मिलेगा, अलाउड नहीं है। और हम लोग फिर बाहर आ गए। फिर आज सुबह 4 घंटा फिर मेरा टिकट अलाउंस किया, बोलता 5:30 को आएगा। फिर 5:30 में आज कम से कम 4 घंटे तक रुके। बाद में हमने बोल दिया हमको टिकट रिफंड दे दो, हम जा रहे बाय रोड जा रहे।
Yeah, just saying that your flight is getting delayed by further 2 hours. Okay. But they are not saying anything firm. And this 2 hours is coming from last night. So still, like my flight, right now it was 11:20, they scheduled it. Now it's showing 1:30 p.m. The staff, they are not cooperating well. They are not giving a very clear answer. They are just saying that whatever information we have, we are providing to you. And those staff are also not very much experienced. Main guys, they are hidden somewhere. They are at home. They are not picking up the phone. So many problem. As per the guideline, they have to provide hotel stay and all, but they are not giving anything.
दे रहे इंडिगो वाले। हमारा जो लगेज था, मैं बॉम्बे की हूँ, मेरी कल दिल्ली की फ्लाइट थी, ये लगेज नहीं देने के लिए रेडी नहीं। इनको कुछ पता ही नहीं हमारा लगेज कहाँ पर है। अगर मैं कहीं और से आती, मेरा लगेज अगर होता तो मैं समझ में आता। मैं बॉम्बे की हूँ, यहाँ से मैंने अभी फ्लाइट भी नहीं लिया था, कैंसिल हो गया। हमारा एयरपोर्ट पे ही है, तो एटलीस्ट इनको बोलना चाहिए ना कि कहाँ पर है हमारा लगेज। और भी लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाया जा रहा था, क्योंकि इनका ये है कि बुकिंग ले लो, लगेज सबमिट कर लो, उसके बाद लोगों को परेशान होने दो। बुकिंग के लिए आपके पास स्टाफ है, बट हमसे बात करने के लिए हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ना, हमारा बैग है, आपको लगेज तो दो, हमारा लगेज का इनका कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है।
मैं यहाँ पर 9 बजे तक बैठी थी, बाद में ये भी नहीं, ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि मेरा कैंसिलेशन है। वेटिंग, फिर लास्ट में मैं 10 बजे रात में घर गई हूँ। अभी बताइए, मेरा तबीयत खराब हो जाए, डॉक्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट है, उसका क्या होगा बताइए। हमारा तो 2 मिनट के लिए प्लेन आप लोग पैसा रद्द कर देते हैं, और हमारा जो ये बर्बाद हो रहा है समय और पैसा दो, वो क्या होगा बताइए आप ही।
But a letter from the Indigo CEO to the employees of the airline on the 4th of December gave a true perspective of the problem at hand. Hear this out, which is an excerpt from the letter. A number of operational challenges have converged. Minor technical issues, schedule changes, bad weather, increased air traffic, and the implementation of new FDTL regulations. These combined have negatively impacted our operations, stop quote. The implementation of the new FDTL or flight duty time limitations rules, which had been revised in January 2024, seemed to be a problem for Indigo. Interestingly, these revised rules had made life easier for pilots by lengthening weekly rest, extending definition of night, placed caps on night operations as well. The intention here was to reduce fatigue and stress among pilots. Here's what the 2024 revised rules had prescribed: 48 consecutive hours of weekly rest for pilots, night defined as midnight till 6 a.m. as opposed to until 5 a.m. earlier, cap at 2 consecutive night duties, a cap on night landings at 2 instead of 6, quarterly fatigue reporting, and mandatory roster adjustments. But why should these rules be a problem at all? Now, according to reports, Indigo in its meeting with DGCA officials is said to have conveyed that it will fully restore stable operations by the 10th of February 2026. Why that long? If other airlines have by and large complied with the FDTL regulations revised in January 2024, why should Indigo have a problem? Crucially, if Indigo has reservations about the FDTL regulations, can passengers be treated like lambs to the slaughter? Indigo Airlines enjoys a domestic market share of almost 65%. So does it mean it can take travelers for granted?
Well, Mr. Gandhi has been raising this issue of monopolies and duopolies. Between Indigo and Tata, they own 92% of the airline industry. Indigo alone owns 64%. And today the government had to take a U-turn and withdraw the guidelines issued for passenger safety because they got pressured under Indigo's influence.
A clear failure on part of the government and Indigo Airlines. The government, the DGCA, came up with certain directives about rest for flying crew. This was given well in advance. The airline fully well that this deadline was coming and they had to comply with it.
On 5th of December, after more than 1,300 flights had been cancelled up to then, the Civil Aviation Ministry and the DGCA stepped in. It said, and I quote, "The flight duty time limitations orders of the DGCA have been placed in abeyance with immediate effect. Without compromising on air safety, this decision has been taken solely in the interest of passengers, especially senior citizens, students, patients and others who rely on timely air travel for essential needs." Stop quote.
I think the fact is very clear that the new FDTL norms that were introduced by November 1st, 2025, all the airlines were supposed to comply for it and they had good time to comply also. Indigo, for some reason, they had a miscalculation of the flight crew and the rostering and everything. That was why the effect came into visibility from December 3rd. We have seen both the days, 3rd and 4th, a lot of delays happening. But I can tell you that right since the issue started happening, the ministry has taken cognizance of it and we went into immediate mode of looking into how best we can normalize the situation. Because we have observed a lot of passengers waiting at the airports for huge amount of time. And we were very strict in that sense that this should be normalized at the earliest. So airlines, especially Indigo and then airport operators, all the necessary stakeholders, we were in continuous engagement with them and keeping the passengers in mind. Our whole interest was to provide the most comfort and convenience to the passengers who were stuck at this time. So we have instructed our airport operators, let it be food, water or accommodation, everything should be arranged. And there should be no delay in communication, especially because the communication leads to certain gaps. So that all we wanted to take care. And then we, on the airlines part, we have observed this miscalculation from the Indigo part and we have ordered a strict inquiry into it. The inquiry is going to start. I want to clarify this very, very straightforwardly. There is no hesitation. This has been done in the interest of the passengers. For me, passengers are very important. And I don't want them to be waiting at the airports and facing this kind of system just because the fault is with the airlines.
But wait a minute. Weren't the early FDTL rules considered harsh only for it therefore to get revised in January 2024 to give pilots a bit more of a breather? How does this rollback actually help passenger safety when there is every possibility that it might result in more stress for pilots? The situation, like we said earlier, has been one of total chaos. As of December 5th evening, confusion reigned. On December 5th, Indigo put out a detailed apology and also claimed that the refunds for cancellations would be automatic.
To extend our sincerest apologies for the major inconvenience this has caused to many of our customers.
But passengers are demanding compensation for lost time, and a refund does not address their concerns.
I want to share with you that we have experienced severe operational disruptions for the past few days. I, on behalf of all of us at Indigo, would like to extend our sincerest apologies for the major inconvenience this has caused to many of our customers on account of delays or cancellations. Imperative for progressive improvements starting as from tomorrow. With these actions, we expect tomorrow to have cancellations below 1,000. It will take some time to return to a full normal situation, which we do anticipate between the 10th and the 15th of December.
For a country with huge ambitions, a growing economy, this crisis also raises questions about the credibility of its airlines and aviation sector. The government, Indigo, the DGCA all need to wake up.